In this video, you'll learn how to change the font size on your Pixel 6. By following these instructions, you will be able to customize the text size to better suit Wii Norman preferences. Start by unlocking your Pixel 6 and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the Settings menu. After the menu appears, scroll down until you see the option labeled Display. Tap on Display to continue to the next section. Inside the Display menu, you will encounter a variety of customization options for your screen. Look for the setting that says Font Size or Display Size. This is the section where you can adjust how text appears on your device. Make sure you are in the correct area before moving forward. Tap on the font size option to access the adjustment slider. The slider will allow you to change the size of the text. Move the slider left to decrease the font size or right to increase it. As you make adjustments, you will see a preview of how the font will look on your screen. Choose a size that feels comfortable for reading and fits your personal preference. Once you've selected your desired font size, you can simply go back or exit the settings menu. The changes you made will be applied automatically across your device. To see how the new font size looks in practice, open various apps and observe the text. If you find that you need to make further adjustments, you can return to the settings and modify the font size again. This feature allows you to enhance readability and improve your overall user experience on the Pixel 6. By customizing the font size, you can ensure that the text displayed on your device meets your individual needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.